Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show. We all know hospitals can be a little scary, right? But you know who makes them a million times better? Nurses. These amazing humans bring sunshine and laughter even on the cloudiest hospital days. They're like walking, talking, medicine-dispensing rays of sunshine. Once, a nurse told me about a patient who was super nervous about getting an injection. The patient was all tense and shaky. The nurse, trying to lighten the mood, said, "Don't worry, I've been doing this for years. I could do it blindfolded." The patient, without missing a beat, replied, "Well, in that case, could you at least try to aim for the vein?" Hilarious. We all know laughter is the best medicine, right? Well, except for actual medicine, of course. Don't try and swap your antibiotics for a good chuckle. But seriously, laughter can make a world of difference, especially in a hospital. It can help reduce stress, boost your mood, and even help with pain management. That's why nurses often use humor to make patients feel more at ease. They tell jokes, share funny stories, and sometimes even engage in some playful banter. Because when you're feeling under the weather, a little laughter can go a long way. One of my favorite things about nurses is their ability to find humor even in the most unexpected situations. Like, remember those stylish hospital gowns? You know, the ones that are open in the back? A nurse friend of mine told me about a patient who, upon being discharged, asked if he could keep his gown. My friend chuckled and said, "Sure, if you want to start a new fashion trend." The patient, with a twinkle in his eye, replied, "Well, it's the most freedom I've had in weeks. Classic." Let's be honest, nobody enjoys getting poked and prodded with needles. But nurses have a way of making even the most squeamish patients feel comfortable. I heard a story about a nurse who was about to give a patient an injection. The patient was visibly nervous and kept staring at the needle. The nurse, in a calm and reassuring voice, said, "Don't worry, it's just a little prick. Kind of like a mosquito bite, but less itchy." The patient, feeling a bit more relaxed, replied, "Well, in that case, do you mind if I swat at you afterwards?" Too funny. Section 5, the healing power of humor. You know, it's not just about the jokes, it's about the connection. Laughter creates a bond between nurses and patients. It helps build trust and makes the whole hospital experience a little less daunting. When you can laugh together, it's like you're in on a secret that says, "Hey, we're in this together." Section 6, nurses, the ultimate cheerleaders. Nurses are like the ultimate cheerleaders. They're there to cheer you on, lift your spirits, and remind you that you're stronger than you think. They celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Like when you finally master the art of walking with an IV pole without tripping over it. Or when you manage to eat an entire meal after days of not feeling up to it. Nurses are there to celebrate every milestone, big or small, with a smile and a healthy dose of humor. Section 7, beyond the bandages, building bonds through laughter. What I love most about nurses is that they see beyond the illness. They see the person behind the patient. They take the time to listen, to connect, and to make you feel like a human being, not just a number on a chart. And sometimes the best way to connect is through laughter. A shared joke, a funny story, a moment of lightheartedness. These are the things that make a hospital stay a little brighter. Section 8, a prescription for happiness. So the next time you're feeling under the weather, remember the power of laughter. And if you're lucky enough to have a nurse who makes you smile, cherish them. They're not just healthcare professionals, they're miracle workers. They bring joy, laughter, and a whole lot of heart to their jobs. And that's something worth celebrating. Section 9, a toast to nurses, the heart and humor of healthcare. To all the amazing nurses out there, thank you. Thank you for your hard work, your dedication, and your incredible sense of humor. You make a difference in the lives of so many people. You bring laughter to those who need it most. And you remind us that even in the toughest of times, there's always a reason to smile. Keep on laughing, keep on caring, and keep on being the amazing humans that you are.